Okay, we've gone through checking this template, so now we're going to actually build the race itself, because all this does right now, and let's just run it and you'll see it just brings up the turtles. So if you have this far, you're in pretty good shape, but actually that's what the template does, so it's fine. Always good to make sure though. Okay, first thing, we need to go to File and Save Copy as, and let's see, this says Turtle Replacement. Let's say your name. I'm going to use my initials, CMN, and I'm just going to write TURTLE race. No spaces, please, and stick it wherever you're putting all your other files. So we have this thing sitting up here now, and it says, this still says Turtle Race Template. That's not what we want. We want to bring that file in, and let's see, recent files. And there's CMN Turtle Race. So let's bring that up and make sure you have that one, and then you can get rid of the template. Be much simpler. Okay, we now have this file, which you can see is called my name, TurtleRace.py. So we might as well fix this. This is just Turtle Race. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? Well, let's go down here and let's add a few lines so we can write on this thing. And what we're going to do is build a while loop, and that's like we did before. I like to, well, we will set a variable run equals true. And true has a capital T, of course. And we're going to say while run colon, and then we'll put our code under here. So what we want to do is actually start to we want to start running through this loop. So we do for I in range n, which is going to be 7, again the colon. And you should be getting these colors. If you don't get these colors, then you forgot something. Usually it's the colon, or you've spelled something wrong. If you capitalize this, it doesn't recognize it, and so forth. And the first thing we want to do is, we're going through each turtle or each car by itself. So the first thing we do is set the step. And step is going to equal that roll dice function, remember? And what that will do is it will give you a step somewhere between -5 and 15. Now, the only thing is, for one of them, we want it to be steady. So if I equals 0, then what we're going to just put in here is step equals 5. So we'll see how going steady compares to the other things. So we back up, and then what we need to do is move the car. CAR S, actually, I, no, I'm sorry, dot, forward, and FORWARD works, and we're going to do step. And now we just keep going. That's fine. But then we want to know, if we get there, if the x variable XCOR, let's see, I forgot this. Wait a minute, here we go. Need to have the backwards bracket. If this is greater than or equal, which is that symbol, Instead of 300, let's try 290. I tried that, and that seems to work perfectly. Then what we'll do is we're finished. So what I think we need to do here is then sort of stop the program, but what we want to do is print who won. So let's do print and colors and then we'll do that %7 thing again. It has to be square bracket, yes. And then we'll print, now come on, get to the edge, comma, I, comma, wins, space, win. Hope you type better than I do. And that should work. And now that we've done this, we don't want to keep this loop running forever. So what we have to do is say run equals false. And that should do it. Now we haven't used the TW to type winner or anything yet, but let's just see if this works. So I hit F5, says OK. Hey, not bad. I'm not cheating, I actually did this one. And here, let's see if they move. Yep, there they go. Stepping through, and let's see who wins. Number 3 looks pretty good. Wow. Oops, something happened. Okay, didn't like it. All right, said print colors. I didn't spell colors right. Okay, so let's go back. Let's fix that. Let's see. How about another O in here? Now let's run it again. Now the random number will start off in a different place. So the fact that number 3 won before doesn't mean they'll win this time. So we run along here, and the steady one on the bottom, that's number 0. Not doing so well. Oh, looks like number 2. Well, let's see who wins here. Oh, number 5, light green one. Although, interesting, 2-1 also clearly made it. But look, that's a refinement that we can worry about later. So this ought to do it. And there's more to do if we want. I'll put up another video. But if you've done this one, I think that's accomplishing quite a bit. And you get extra credit or whatever Dr. R decides.